As of May 4th, 2020, BusinessTraveler.com broke news of Air Canada and low-cost subsidiary Air Canada Rouge retiring 79 aircraft, including all remaining Boeing 767-300s, Embraer 190s, and Airbus A319s. Another devastating slash impacting countless jobs throughout the company. Like most involved in the Canadian aviation industry, we knew that time for Air Canada's mainline 767s was limited, but little did we know COVID-19 would take an axe to Rouge's as well. Out of my 34 flights with Air Canada, only 6 have been with the 767. However, I've been on them for over 21,000 miles and some 41 hours. And as silly as it sounds, one of my first childhood memories is boarding one as a little kid on a flight to Paris with tons of excitement. I am disappointed that I'll never get to say goodbye, but I hope this video tells the story of how important the 767 was to Air Canada's fleet and how awesome this aircraft looks through photos, videos, and even some trips I've taken in the flight simulator. The Boeing 767 was first flown on September 26, 1981. Its wingspan stretched nearly 48 meters, its length about 55 meters, and at max capacity it weighed 175,000 kilograms. It could fly non-stop for 12 hours and comfortably seat over 200 people. Equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney or General Electric engines with about 50,000 pounds of thrust each, the 767 was one of the first aircraft to introduce ETOPS, extended twin-engine operations, allowing it to fly over the ocean on just 2 engines and revolutionizing modern air travel as we know it today. Ex-Air Canada President Robert Milton describes the versatility of the 767.
The 767 is an extremely profitable aircraft for us, and it's incredibly versatile. We have 29 of them, and if you look at the roles that they fly operations as short as Rapid Air, Montreal to Toronto all day long, and as long as a route like Toronto to Tel Aviv, which is about 12 hours nonstop. So if you look at the capability of the aircraft and its size, which is great because you're not out chasing 400 passengers for every flight, you can get away with just chasing the top 200 paying passengers on any given route. The aircraft is an absolute moneymaker and a great airplane.
By the year 2000, half of all transatlantic flights were operated on 767s. Air Canada had 63 of these aircraft between the 767-200 and 767-300. The 200s were all retired from the fleet by 2008, and the 300s were either scrapped, stored, sold, or transitioned into Air Canada's low-cost subsidiary, Rouge. There were 5 remaining mainline 767s by the time Air Canada retired them all in May 2020. It's a true shame that these birds will never get a proper send-off, but I've put together a tribute music video so we can all appreciate how beautiful the Air Canada 767 really was.
Ground level check-in at 507 on Alpha Hotel.
Air Canada 507, ground taxi Alpha Hotel.
Alpha Hotel for 507.
Air Kennedy 73 left turn, Hotel 4, Hotel ground 2165. Good day.
2165 Air Canada 873.
Tower Angle 7535 is approaching Bethna.
7535, tower number 1, continue in, 1 rolling, 1 more going to go behind him. You'll have clearance in about a mile and a half.
Wonderful. Continue Angle 7535.
Channel 523, cross runway 24 right.
2 right, Air Canada.
Maple 76 and 59, turn right on Charlie, contact 219.
Right in Charlie 21 on Maple 7659.
advised. ADI and HSI. Checked. And checked as well. Taxi auto. Transponder lights to go. Here we go. 155, 159, 164. Runway 8,000. Left track 235. Maintain 5. Noise statement 1. Roger.
Takeoff 24 left, Air Canada 876. 3000. TARA. Lights are on before takeoff check is complete. EPR. Positive rate, gear up. Heading select. 235, sorry. 235 now.
Air Canada 76, clear to 5, departure 28.
5088, Air Canada 876.
Good morning, you're reaching is up Lima 607, Upper Gulf 1 for Frankfurt.
Flap 20. Before landing check. Gears down, cabins loaded. Altimeters 1005 millibars. 1005 set. Lever 3 greens, spoilers armed. 4 landing checks, complete altitude checks on the way by. Missed approach altitude 5,000 feet to set. 30 flap, VREF 134.
Canada 876, wind 210, you're to land runway 255.
Spoilers up, reverse. Knots.
Canada 876, right off and locate apron 121.7, goodbye.
Right to apron 21-7, Air Canada 876.